Do you guys have voice chat?
Bro, you sound so hot. Like,
What?
that was weird and like random, but you sound so hot.
What the fuck? Why? This always happens, man. I don't know. Thank you. Thank you. Nice job, Mayo. Do you have a girlfriend that's like named Ketchup?
No, her name's Ainsley.
Oh. Okay. I tried to make a funny joke, but okay. I don't think he got the joke. I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that. I didn't see that, right? I didn't see that. Yo, what's up? Morning. How's your day?
God damn, bro, your voice is hot.
Yeah, you sound hot as hell, my man. God damn.
You sound like you got thick butt cheeks.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Oh. Damn, Phoenix, how do you know?
Wait, yeah, how do you know?
Okay, I don't know. I just got a good intuition for those things, you know?
You do sound a little bit like you watch too much anime, though. I'm just gonna say.
Like me? You sound what?
Yeah, you sound very like ooh, you know.
I sound ooh. Okay.
Yes.
He said I sounded ooh. What the fuck, man?
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Damn, bro.
F.
That was hot, man. Do it again.
What was hot? My ult?
Your moan.
My moan? That was a moan? What?
Was it not?
Oh no, it was not. But thank you, I think. Shit! Wait, maybe you guys are right. Maybe I don't realize I moan sometimes. That didn't sound like a moan, man. What the fuck? Huh? He said it sounded like a, what the hell? Oh shit. Okay, that's bad. I gotta watch out what I say in public then, or what I do in public. It's like, yo, what's up?
What is your most embarrassing secret?
My most embarrassing secret?
Yeah.
I can show you. Oh no, it died!
Man, it must be you suck at this game.
Yeah, you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.